I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After diminishing areas of rain this afternoon and near record cool highs in the 60s, a disturbance increases our chances of rain and thunderstorms tonight through early tomorrow morning, mostly though across southwestern locations where some heavy rain may occur. High pressure tomorrow allows for breaks in the clouds. Highs this weekend rebound into the 70s, even some low 80s over northwest Kansas on Sunday. Occasional thunderstorms remain possible tomorrow night through Sunday night. Limited instability, keeping that severe threat low. A ridge of high pressure building up from Texas gradually warms our highs from the mid-70s to the low 80s Monday to the mid-80s to around 90 by Thursday. On the northern edge of that high pressure ridge, thunderstorm chances are lower and continue on into Thursday. Long-range forecasts indicate a drier and warmer pattern returning for the middle to end of August. That verifies in our long-term forecast. Warmer than normal temperatures are predicted for Wednesday through August 22nd in Nebraska and Kansas. By August 22nd, central Nebraska daytime highs cool to the mid-80s and average overnight lows are down to around 60. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall starts slightly above normal the middle to end of next week before trending back to near normal rainfall next weekend through August 22nd. Key weather factors influencing the markets include temperatures staying mild in the Corn Belt, chances of rain for the plains, and the possibility of frost for the Canadian prairies. The next several days, significant rain results from the interaction between the southwestern monsoon flow of moisture and a pair of disturbances. 5-day rainfall could reach 1 to 3 inches or more across the plains and the southwest Corn Belt. Little or no rain falls across the eastern Corn Belt and interior southeast. Rather cool weather prevails from the Midwest into the Northeast, while heat persists across much of the southern and western U.S. Temperatures gradually increase next week across the plains and Midwest due to a building ridge of high pressure. Areas of rain could affect how quickly those temperatures rise. The rain through next week is too late for wheat in the northern plains, but is beneficial for corn and soybeans in other areas of the plains and Midwest. Lingering rain in the mid and northern Atlantic states with the remnants of Debbie in later today as the former hurricane tracks to the northeast. Across the Canadian prairies, very patchy frost in Saskatchewan may continue in some areas the next morning or two. Temperatures and rain chances gradually increase in the Canadian prairies next week, with rain possibly coming in several waves, which is too late for the wheat and canola. In Argentina, soil moisture continues to fall in most areas. Hard freezes from colder air in some locations of Argentina this weekend into early next week could be harmful to vegetative wheat. Overseas in Europe, most of Germany is still too wet for wheat harvest, along with developing corn and other spring grains. Temperatures rise this weekend across most of Europe, which is stressful for southern areas that haven't had much rain. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.